The allure of the great outdoors is irresistible, especially when you have the perfect companion for your adventure. Before diving into our adventure, let's talk about the KBO Flip. This folding e-bike comes with a 500-watt brushless geared hub motor, a 15-amp battery, and a range of up to 30 miles on pure electric mode. It's a versatile machine designed to tackle various terrains, from roads and beaches to trails. The bike is currently on sale for $869, down from its regular price of $1,069. We decided to take the KBO Flip to a state park in Georgia, a place known for its scenic trails and beautiful lakes. The bikes easily fit in the back of our Tesla Model Y. Since the Tesla Model Y is a hatchback, I folded both seats and placed both bikes in the back. I was surprised how easy it was to load and unload the bikes. We parked our car near the head of the trail and began the process of unloading our bikes. Grabbing them by their pallets, we took them out and unfolded them. The KBO Flip features quick release levers at key points, making the unfolding process a breeze. Within minutes, our bikes were ready to ride. As I mounted the KBO Flip, the gravel path ahead promised a rich tapestry of natural experiences, and we couldn't wait to get started. Our bikes were more than up for the challenge. A 500-watt motor provided just the right amount of power, making the ride enjoyable without being overly fast. This was crucial, as we wanted to respect the natural environment we were traversing. The Shimano 7-speed gear derailleur was a godsend, allowing us to adapt to the varying terrains we encountered. Whether it was steep inclines or a steep descent, the bike handled it like a pro. The high-performance dual front suspension fork and the 20-inch by 3-inch fat tires made the ride incredibly smooth and comfortable, even on rougher terrains, which are part of any true outdoor adventure. The bike seemed to glide over obstacles, from protruding roots to small rocks, allowing us to focus on the beauty surrounding us rather than the challenge of the ride. The multifunctional LCD display was another highlight. It kept us informed about our speed, distance, and battery life. This was particularly useful as it allowed us to manage our pace and ensure that we had enough battery life to complete our journey and return to our starting point. As we biked through the forest, we came upon a beautiful lake. While the area is known for water activities like swimming and water skiing, we were content to enjoy the view from our bikes. The lake shoreline offered pretty vistas and added a sense of tranquility to our adventure. The trail also included a series of hills, which would have been challenging on a regular bike, but was a breeze on the KBO Flip. The 500-watt motor and 7-speed gear system came into their own here, allowing us to climb with ease and descend with control. It was exhilarating without being exhausting, a perfect blend of nature and technology. As we rode, we couldn't help but notice signs indicating the area's historical significance. Once an important mining area, the red soil beneath our tires was a subtle reminder of the region's rich past. While our focus was on the ride, these small details added an additional layer of perspective to the journey. As we made our way back to our starting point, we had a chance to reflect on the day's adventure. The KBO Flip had performed admirably, making the ride both enjoyable and comfortable. The natural setting had been a perfect backdrop, offering a blend of scenic beauty, challenging terrains, and historical richness. Our day spent biking through the forest, around the lake, and over the hills was a perfect blend of adventure and connection. The KBO Flip proved to be an excellent companion, offering a mix of performance, comfort, and sustainability. It allowed us to immerse ourselves in the natural world while also respecting it, providing an experience that was enriching on multiple levels. And the fact that the KBO Flip can easily fold and fit in the back of my car opens up a range of opportunities. So whether you're an avid biker or a casual enthusiast, Looking to explore the great outdoors, an e-bike like the KBO Flip offers a unique way to deepen your connection with nature. Thanks for watching, and if you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join us on this electrifying journey. This is Jeremy Vinny, signing off. We'll see you on the next one.